Alright, I'm swapping everything. I'm swapping the ground. I'm swapping the sky. Very sweet. Very... I think I've edited my photo snakes to... I just want to make like an artwork with lots of snakes and maybe like a jar, like my donut artwork, but like snakes in a jar. I like this jar. I'm going with this one. Delete everything. Oh, damn it. Alright, I want the ground. Oh. Sweet. Sweet. Got 2 holes here. Okay. Snakes. There we go. Nice little package. Alright, this is a little boring. I've decided I'm gonna use all my things as the lid. Like, I've lost my lid for my snake jar. Look how sweet this car looks. I love the colors. Okay, a stool can go on there next. What the fuck was that? Unlink. Alright, I'm swapping everything. I'm swapping the ground. I'm swapping the sky. I'm swapping everything. That's the ground. I think. I want a lighter pink. I'm deleting this. Done. Done. Very sweet. Very unexpected, I guess. Done. Check out my website below if you want to see like a still image of it, because really you're not getting a good look of it. Like, it's nighttime when I'm creating these and it's like there's a glare. And check out the website. If you like just here to enjoy the videos, like, yeah, check out all the art and click a like so that YouTube knows to show it to other people and then spread the art around.